Paano naman po yung inaya ko ng meet-up? Ang sagot ng babae, agad-agad. Kinabukasan kasi inaya ko na agad. Tas sabi ko sa free time na lang niya. Tas sagot niya, busy siya lagi. Well, marami kasing missing context dito, no, sigarilyo. For example, saan mo ba siya nakilala? Through common friends, sa dating app ba? Or she's a total stranger na in-approach mo lang bigla? Here is the rule of the thumb, no, sigarilyo. If she's a total stranger and basically kakakilala mo lang sa kanya, before you ask her out on a date, you have to establish rapport first. In other words, you need to make her feel na komportable siya sa'yo. She needs to feel secure with you. Yung tipong pag lumabas kayo, hindi mo siya hold upin or something like that, no? You need to make her laugh and make her feel na, yeah, you're a confident guy and fun to be with. Hindi yung kakakilala mo pa lang sa babae, ganito na kaagad yung approach mo.
Uy, ano ba yung name mo? Lexi? Tara, inom tayo.
Huwag ganun, idolo. Dapat establish rapport muna. But also, I need you guys to understand na building rapport with a person doesn't entail na i-chat mo na sila ng napakatagal just to get to know each other. And I think that's what you Gen Zs call like talking stage yata. I'm not really sure, no? Kasi, baby boomer ako 1974 pa ako pinanganak. Actually, establishing rapport can be quick lang naman talaga. As long as you make her feel comfortable with you, make her laugh, and, just be a confident person. Goods na siyang ayain pag ganon, sigarilyo. Actually, sa totoo lang, if you really exude confidence and tama yung approach mo sa babae, you can actually make a date on the spot, and that's the truth. So how do I know that? Kasi nagawa ko na siya in the past. At isa pang crucial missing detail dito sa question mo is how you ask the girl out. Baka naman kasing pag-invite mo sa kanya parang, tara labas tayo bukas. Kapag ganun bro, mali yun. That is not the proper way to set dates. You have to ask her when are you free to get together. Kasi that way, siya na yung magvo-volunteer kung kailan siya magiging free at makipagkita sa'yo. Ngayon, if she said na, yeah, sa Saturday, free ako, walang work. Then after she says that, set a definite date with her. Say something in the lines of parang, yeah, sure, that sounds good. Let's meet up at 7 p.m. at so-and-so restaurant. Then ask her, does that sound good to you? And then wait for her reply. That, my friend, is the proper way of setting dates. Pero okay lang yan, sigarilyo. Kasi trial and error naman talaga yung dating world ngayon. Especially ngayon, You just need to recognize your mistakes and learn from them. Good luck sa'yo, bro. I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo. And follow for more. Subscribe na rin kayo sa YT channel ko. Link in my bio.